Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today we will learn and write 20 shortcut keys. Number 1. Control plus C. Copy selected text or item. Number 2. Control plus V. Paste copied text or item. Number 3. Control plus X. Cut selected text or item. Number 4. Control plus Z. Undo last action. Number 5. Control plus Y. Redo the last undone action. Number 6. Control plus A. Select all text or items. Number 7. Control plus S. Save the current file. Number 8. Control plus P. Print the current page or document. Number 9. Control plus F. Find a word or phrase in a document. Number 10. Control plus N. Open a new window or document. Number 11. Control plus O. Open an existing file. Number 12. Control plus B. Make the text bold. Number 13. Control plus I. Make the text italic. Number 14. Control plus U. Underline the selected text. Number 15. Alt plus Tab. Switch between open windows. Number 16. Control plus S. Open the Start menu. Number 17. Control plus D. Bookmark a web page in browsers. Number 18. F2. Rename selected file or folder. Number 19. F5. Refresh the page or window. Number 20. Control plus Shift plus S. Open Task Manager. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.